Do you like nachos? Do you hate having to go to the store and order nachos from a sweaty, shirtless guy who uses cheese that's been sitting out all day? And then when you go out with the nachos, a kid on a skateboard bumps into you and makes you drop the nachos, and then a bunch of guys with crazy hair start saying about this race car driver named Jerry? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to skip all that and make your own nacho cheese. So first, you are going to need milk, cornstarch, pat of butter, and some shredded cheese, preferably Mexican blend, but they didn't have that at Family Dollar, so I'm using just regular sharp cheddar for this. So you start by taking your butter, as many recipes do, and just impressively balance it on the knife and smack it on into the pan. You unscrew your milk cap, start swirling your butter around. You know, if you don't feel like washing a spoon afterward, you can just do this. You can just grab the pan handle and just start swirling it around. Then you get a little bit crazy with it. Add in your milk. See, little pro tip. If you want slightly sweeter nachos, you can add in more milk, or you can cook for a little bit longer. Then you just turn up the heat and start swishing that around once more. Then you get your cheese, start sprinkling that in. I use a lot because I'm fat. Then you realize you're going to have to use a spoon after all to stir the cheese into the milk mixture. And while the cheese is melting, you get yourself a heaping spoonful of cornstarch and just plop it on in there. Yeah, just like that. And you keep on stirring until it's just one yellow mass. Yeah, it looks like snot right now, but yeah, when it's fully incorporated, it'll look just like any nacho cheese you could get from a store. And there you have it. Doesn't that look delicious? It looks like it'll get stuck to the pan, but if you made it right, it won't. All that's left is to just pour it onto a plate of tortilla chips. And have at it. Delish. And that's how in less than 5 minutes you can concoct the gastral nightmare that is nacho cheese right in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, then no further actions required on your part, and we'll see you next episode.